Look at this person. She doesn't know how to use a water fountain. That is sad. That's just horrible. No, like, seriously. Who doesn't know how to drink out of a water fountain? Guys. Oh, look what time it is. Look at that. 4:16 a.m. I'm not even tired, but I was trying to puff all night, and my mom walked down on me when I was on the computer. I had to shut everything off. So I'm gonna try to keep you guys posted and see if I can last some night. I don't even have my setup. Sure. Yeah, I don't even have my setup right now, so guys. Look, I this is my channel. Check out Bumblebee and stuff. It's cool. Look at this. Yes. 1 subscriber. I got 2 friends. And 8 subscriptions. Look at this. I got 8 videos now, man. That is amazing. So amazing. There's a lot of video. I was looking how to make my account better. And there's lots of videos that tell you stuff, but I thought that one really helped and it was pretty easy. Excuse me. Oh, it's cold. Okay. Yeah. When it gets later on today. Yeah, I guess it is today. I'm supposed to be going to sleep. Ooh, message. What comment? Yeah, I know. I saw this. It's my friend. Look at him. This is his unboxing. Okay. I'll delete it. I already saw that. Okay. Yes, here's my Bumblebee channel. It's pretty cool. Pretty soon this video's gonna change and it's gonna be this one. So yeah. Look at my 2 friends. And then my 1 subscriber. Okay. Yeah. So, I guess that's it. And I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye.